Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your lower control arm. It's going to be right here on a Nissan Altima. This one I'm working on is a 2015, but it should be the same from 2009 come up or 7 come up. I'm not sure, and it should be the same for 2017 too. Alright? So first thing first, gotta take off the tire, which is gonna be 21 millimeter. And guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright, 21 is gonna be 21 millimeter. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be taking out right here. This is the lower control arm. So you have a 21 millimeter nut right here, and also a 21 millimeter bolt right there. Same thing for the back right here, 21 millimeter top and bottom. And right here we have a 18 millimeter bolt and a 18 millimeter nut. Alright, so let's start by taking out these. Alright, so what I do, I'm gonna take out this 18 millimeter right here. I put a 18 millimeter wrench on the bolts in case it's wanna slip when I start taking it out. Alright. So this is how I take it out. I just knock it out first, and then I put this on it, and then I pull back on it and spin it at the same time like that. Alright. Alright, so now would be a good time to spray it down with WD-40, because this will help you take it out when it's time to come out. Alright. Alright, so you want to get your 21 millimeter to hold up there, and get your 21 millimeter socket to go under there. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do the same thing for the back one. You want to put your 21 millimeter, on here, and get it the same way. All right. You don't want to mix them up because this one comes from the back, this longer than the one that comes from the front. Alright? The taller one go to the back, the shorter one go to the front. Alright, so I'm gonna use this. You can get a pry bar and pry down on here. So I changed it because it's all bent up. So this is the old one. As you can see, it's rocking. It's bent. This is the new one right here. You don't have this. Alright, well, this is not new, it's from the junkyard. I got it from the junkyard. So I'm gonna put this up now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this part up first and then try to swing it up under like this and catch this. So I'm gonna put this up with the bolt first, alright? Just realized from the junkyard you got a lot of this whole dirt in here, so I couldn't get this the whole thing. Alright, so now we're ready. I'm gonna catch the nut on it. So it's under there, it's under there. You just want to top right here, and you're gonna see that goes up and line up over there. All right. So you want to double check your work, make sure everything is tight. All right, so let's put on the tire, and now it's time to take your car to get alignment. So yep, let's do that. So you want to tighten up your tire, put on your hubcap, and that's it, guys. That's how you change your lower control arm. So if your Altima look like this is 2015 and down. It's also the same thing for the 2016 or 17. So it's basically the same car with just a little bit of different shape, same parts, same procedure, how to do it. Thank you guys for your love and support. Give me a thumbs up if I help you. See you next time.